Flat Earther loses his daughter's toy and thinks he's proven the flat Earth. Welcome to my $5 studio. Today's topics. A flat earther loses his daughter's toy and thinks he's proven the flat earth. And who is this silly flat earther? Wait a moment and me and Icy will show you. Of course, it's easy. Let's look at this video.
All right, same day. So what I did here is what I'm trying to do, and unfortunately it didn't quite work out properly the way I wanted it to. I'm here on a river, and across where you see that light right now, that's approximately 450 feet away from me. Okay, 450 feet away. So what I did is I have a moon that's on the other side of the river over there.
Sorry, a moon?
It was a thing I bought for my daughter. Kind of cute. And I have a light on, but I can't even seem to find it.
Okay, you can't find it. I think your daughter will be really angry on you. So now both his wife and his daughter is angry on CC. Poor man.
Okay, so my whole experiment here was to pretend like the moon was the size of a basketball.
Why did you choose that size?
Okay, which is the toy that I bought for my daughter many years ago. And it's a toy. And then, how many feet away would it be to be about the same size as it was if I was to zoom in on my P1000 on this flat land onto the moon? Okay, so in imaginary land, what they would say is that the moon is 340,000 miles away. And this P1000 picks up on that no problem.
Great! The number one flat earth camera, Nikon P1000. The camera that Flurv thinks is a scientific instrument.
Okay. All right, let's take a look at this. That's with the tripod, not the new one. It's the old tripod, but it suits its purposes. So at 240,000 miles away, I'm able to zoom in on the moon. That would be the video right next to me. So I kind of just brought it down to real level here so we can all understand it. And if the moon was the size of a basketball, we would only be about 450 feet away from it. And I should be able to zoom in on it with my P1000, but as you can see, I can't even find the fucking
Please,
thing.
can someone help Chris? He lost his daughter's toy, and she will be angry.
I can't even find it. Ah, shit. All right. Do you see it anywhere? All right, let's zoom in on some geese. All right, let's just. I don't. It is over here, over there somewhere. I thought I put it in between that tree right there. But do you see my point?
No, sorry, Chris. I don't see your point. Do you, Icy?
No, I do not.
That's 450 feet away, that tree stump. But yet in real life, I am able to zoom in on the moon, which is 240,000 feet away, and zoom in on the craters. That doesn't make any sense, does it? Does it? Think about it, guys. Can you see this? I can't even find it. I don't know what tree I put it in. I thought it was directly across. Yeah. Is that it? No, I can't even find it. My point is, by now we should be on the moon. I mean, the camera should be focusing on the moon, and I should be focusing on a crater. But I can't even find where the hell I put this thing at the end of the fucking lake. That's just great. All right, so case in point. Once again, your globe has been disproved. And you've been lied to all of your fucking life. And I apologize for that. Very sorry. Thank you for subbing and thank you for viewing my videos. Let me be a part of your life.
That was Chris' whole video. And he don't understand angular size, he don't understand how big the moon is, especially compared with the toy he lost. But I think that Icy can explain this perfectly well. What's the problem with his experiment was. Okay, over to you, Icy.
He obviously doesn't understand how big the moon is. When you have the moon's diameter and the distance to it, you can calculate how big it should be when you look at it from Earth. Whenever you look at an object, you are measuring its angular size, the amount of space it takes up in your field of view in degrees, minutes, 1/60th of 1 degree, and seconds, 1/60th of 1 minute or 1/3600 of 1 degree. Or you might quantify angular size in radians if you're mathematically inclined. You can't directly measure an object's size in centimeters or inches unless you walk up to it and use a ruler. You know that objects far away look small and nearby objects look big, so when looking at an object, your brain combines the angular size of the object with your guess of its distance to give you an idea of its actual size. In order to learn the true physical size of an object, we must first record the angular size and find the distance to the object by some independent method. Conversely, if the physical size of an object is known, this can be combined with its apparent angular size to determine its distance. In these relationships, a third desired quantity can always be calculated if two quantities are known. This is done by using the small angle formula. Complex and precise instruments exist and can be constructed for measuring the angular size of objects, but a set of rough measurement tools can be found at the end of most people's arms. Because humans are built to mostly the same proportions, if you hold your arms outstretched with your palms facing forward, your hands will have about the same angular size in your field of vision regardless of whether you are tall, short, big, or small. Your fingers and knuckles can be used to make rough measurements of angular sizes and distances on the sky. Other useful angular size rulers exist as well. For example, the full moon is almost exactly 1/2 degree in extent as viewed from the surface of the Earth. Certain constellations and asterisms stretch across specific amounts of degrees of the sky. But this explanation is probably on a level that a flat earther cannot understand.
Thank you, Icy. A very good explanation. This must be one of the most silly flat earth videos I ever had looked at. But who is surprised? It's CC Chris. Thank you all. Today I ordered drone number 22 So it will be sent in a few days time, it will be sent to Ukraine. If you want to help, please use PayPal, link in the description. This was a shorter video, I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a comment, subscribe, hit like, become a member or just come back next time. See you soon, bye.